Hi there, I'm Alan Bean and welcome to How To, where we give you tips and tricks just to make your life just that little bit easier. Right, before we get started on this video, what I would like you to do, if you find it a benefit, to hit that like button and hopefully you'll subscribe as well. You never know, the next video might just make your Zoom calls or whatever you're doing that little bit better. So let's have a go for today. Today, my aim is to make you look fantastic on Zoom. So, how am I going to do that? Well, I certainly need it. So what I'm going to do now is go over to this little icon up here, the settings, click on there, then click on video. Now on video you'll notice here it says touch up my appearance. Well, I certainly need that, so here we go. Turn that off and start the meeting. So what's it going to do for us? Well, it would be better if I actually joined the audio, started the video, and then you can see for yourself. And what it's actually done is smoothed my skin, made me look just a bit smoother, less creases and signs of age, but a little bit of an improvement. So if you'd like Zoom to make you look a little bit better, that's how to do it. If you found this a benefit, please hit that like button, and if you'd like to subscribe, you know where that is. I'll speak to you on the next video. Bye for now.